Hi everybody, this is Tina. I'm here with hashtag Jelly Post Card Play, day number 18. Ta-da! I loved this jelly print. And the reason I say that is it was off a stencil put on paper. It's technically, yeah, I guess you could call it. And it was just all the stencils that I had used on a jelly plate as the background. And then I have these circles I made. And then I had this butterfly, I had a sticker, and I put the 18 in there. Had this little girl dancing, kind of, and I got some dolls and dollhouse. And then I put this little sticker with the butterfly and paper clip, and it says Sweet Love. And I like how this turned out. So, I hope you guys are enjoying these. Please go over and check out hashtag JellyPost Card Play. And it's hosted by Jerry Griffin. So I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Let's put it in a box. See ya!